fishing seminar at Bienville Plantation, hosted by Jensen and Chad Hoover. So far, it's been really great. Last night, everybody got here. We ate dinner. We were all able to meet each other, talk a little bit. This morning, we've ate breakfast, got the game plan. Now we are all headed to the spot to where we're going to fish at. As you can tell how I'm dressed, it's a little chilly. So I'm sure the morning bite will be slow. But as the day warms up, it should speed up a little bit. But I'm really excited to be here. There's about 15 people, 15, 20. So some of us should at least be able to get on some decent fish. But let's get out there and try and get on them. Ah! I don't know if that was one or if that was weeds. How's your morning going so far?
It's going pretty good. A couple people's caught a couple bass. It's been really windy.
Cold?
Pretty chilly. Really chilly.
Yeah.
It's starting to warm up now, so hopefully we'll get on a bite here pretty soon.
What about you? How's your morning?
Fantastic. How about yours?
Good.
How's that old new canoe treating you?
Good. How many fish have you caught so far?
7 or 8.
7 or 8?
Mm-hmm.
It's better than what I'm doing. Are you taking us there now to where the fish are at?
I'm trying to. You turn your camera around instead of where that water's not chopping right there. That's where they were. But
What's up, guys? So I think it's like 3 o'clock. We are switching spots for the 3rd time today. It's been pretty slow. Sorry. It's been pretty slow. The first spot we fished, there was a couple fish caught. Then our group split up. Some of us went with Gene, some of us went with Chad. I decided to go with Gene, and he caught 2 little fish, I think, and then another guy caught a little fish. So now we're going to a different spot where hopefully, now that it's the afternoon, it's warmed up quite a bit, the fish are going to be eating more aggressively. I'm ready to get on some fish. Don't forget about your power pole.
I'm good.
Your rod's gonna be good? I was about to say, you're making your power pole way shorter than them rods are.
Oh, bumper car! It's coming in hot. Bumper boat. Oh, you good?
That paddle a lot easier?
Oh, man. It's nothing now. Catches water so much better.
That's the thing, though, on Kissimmee, you can drink on a boat like that.
Time I hate when people talk about drinking is, one, when they've got a problem, and 2, when they're doing something like that.
Yeah, baby! Finally!
Glad you're showing us what they look like.
Come on! Finally!
Moving bait or bottom bait?
It's a vibe worm.
The vibe one.
I watched your video the other day, you using that. First bait in Bienville! Or fish, not bait. chunky thing. You're right. They are healthy.
They're healthy on this lake.
For sure. Yeah, we didn't get skunked today.
No, he's got the gator. You open the brush?
What?
Oh, he's got a gator? I gotta get over there.
Oh, I thought it was a big old bass. First catch of the day. How do you feel?
Well,
You caught the biggest one of the day so far.
I just don't know how we're gonna get this braid out of it.
I've got long pliers.
We'll get to it, bro. I ain't messing with it.
Why?
That
You
work?
wanted to catch one?
Nah,
Hey.
I wanted to get close to one.
Oh, his are longer than mine.
I ain't getting that close to him, period.
Yeah, you. He ain't that big.
Coming from the guy in the boat.
I'll do it.
He got me all up in here now.
Dry, itchy. There's nothing in my nose. There's one right there.
There you go.
He's out. About 3 foot off of it. There you go.
Oh.
Gene.
Gene's like, I don't even deal with little 3-pounders anymore. Just shake them off.
You know what's crazy?
What?
The hook never came out of the soft plastic.
He hung on for a while
He
then.
held on to the dang. Uh-oh.
There you go.
Gator. Here's a good one. Come on now.
Is it really a gator?
He's gone? Yeah, it's down there. Gator. He's not a gator. That was a big fish or a gator. That's like it was a big fish. Double hook set. Double.
Dude, what happened? Why'd you let it get off?
That was a big fish.
I heard the splash from over here.
There's your double digit now.
What are you throwing? I didn't realize those were so productive.
Yeah, I was against them for the first few years of them being popular.
I honestly have never fished with one. And the first time I did was with an MTB Slam. And then all the subscribers hated on me because I didn't tie it on the right thing. So then I was like, well, I'm not using this anymore since I obviously don't know how to work it.
I'm to the point now where this is the same hook. Oh my gosh, he broke me off.
Dude, God just gave you 2 chances.
That thing is a giant. That's a big fish.
Would you be mad if I just tried to catch it? No, I'm not doing that.
No, it really doesn't bother me. Would you be mad if you jumped out of the water right now and shook your catamaran? Yeah.
You're using mono?
12.
Oh.
20 pound fluoro. 12 pound. You're alive with that. No boat flip on him. That's a good one too.
Oh, yeah! Bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Tell her to hold it. Hold it.
Oh, I'm holding it all right.
Let's pull him in on.
A biborn?
Oh, really?
Yep.
Did you catch my fish? You got chatterbait in it?
No, your fish is way bigger than this one. Yeah!
That first one that hit it, Jen? Yeah, that was a big fish. Did you see what it did to the water?
Engulf the wacky rig. First fish on a wacky rig, actually, Cinco.
Down fairly deep too. I think they're just sitting on a rise.
Where are the pliers? Inhaled it. Oh, I'm sorry, guy. I'm trying, I promise. I'm trying. I got it. There you go. Not a bad one. Another chunker. Right before the day is ending. Can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm trying to flip in here on the bed and catch a fish that we scared off of it a while ago. Hopefully it reloaded back up. But, oh gosh, it's a major struggle right now.
Alright, to go into more detail about what we're doing, as you can see, this place is full of hydrilla. We are trying to find the sand spots where the bass or bluegill were making a bed, moved all the hydrilla, left the sand. So at these cold mornings, that sand's going to heat up, and the bass are going to move onto that sand because they want to warm up. So that's what we are doing, trying to find the bass soaking up the sun in the sand. Glenn will get it. We saw about probably 3 or 4 on that thing. It's just patience. Day 2 of fishing the Bienville Plantation. How's it been so far for you?
It's been a learning experience for sure, you know, trying to figure out what the fish are doing with it being so cold and everything. I've just been doing slow presentations and trying some punching, but slow has been working for me, so I'm going to probably stick with that.
What's your plan for the final day?
Trying to search out a big one, but I mean, we'll see. It's been pretty tough and it's pretty windy right now and cold, so we'll see what's going on.
What's been your go-to bait?
The Senko, just slow, letting it float weightless, you know, down to the bottom and letting them pick it up at their leisure and then catching them. Been catching 2s and 3s, nothing too big, but still fun.
Well, you heard it first, guys.